If you want to activate Gemini on OPPO Find X9, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The most basic way to activate the Gemini is by simply opening the app. In the app drawer, you should be able to find the Gemini app, so you can just tap over here in order to open it. Another way to activate Gemini, by default, you should be able to press and hold the power button in order to activate the Gemini. However, in my case, I actually disable it. So in case for some reason you have this option disabled as well, then we can go to settings, then choose the accessibility and convenience. And over here, we should be able to find the power button option, then go to press and hold the power button and make sure that digital assistant is on. So now we can press and hold the power button in order to activate digital assistant. There we go, just like that. In this case, Gemini, of course. What you can also do is you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards. So for example, something like this. This also allows you to activate a digital assistant, just like that. And we also have the Hey Google voice command. Now, first, of course, to be able to use it, we need to activate it, we need to set it up. So I'm gonna go to Gemini, we're gonna tap on our profile in the upper right corner, and then we can go to settings. Let's open settings. And then in here we should be able to find talk to Gemini hands-free. So we can go over here and we have Hey Google. We can tap on the switcher to activate this feature, and if you turn it on for the first time on your account, then you will need to say a couple of sentences out loud to set it up, to let the Gemini make Gemini be able to recognize your voice, essentially. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can activate the Gemini on OPPO Find X9. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.